Welcome to my easy fall nail tutorial. The first thing you want to do is file your nails and then apply a base coat with clear nail polish. The clear polish helps protect your nail. Next, apply the blue nail polish on all of your nails. The color I'm using is Grounded by the brand LA Girl, and it's the gel nail polish. Next, I'm applying these leaf stickers that we got off Amazon to my ring finger. Here I'm cutting one in half to make it a little bit smaller to put it on the tip of my nail. My camera had died, but the last thing you do is apply clear nail polish on your nails.